Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a page or a post to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So first of all, let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to get logged in. I'm going to click login. Now I'm already logged in, so it's going to take me to dashboard on the main menu. And to work on your website from dashboard, you're going to go to the website button. And this is the website builder right here. We have post, pages, templates, themes, settings. We're going to be working with page templates, pages, and posts today. Quickly though, let me show you a different view. If you have more than one website, instead of having this view here and the website builder, it's going to look like this. So you're not going to have access to these. Your domain's going to be right here. You need to click on this edit button right here to access the website builder. So when you click on the edit button, then it's going to take you up here. So there's your domain. There's the public preview URL. Let's go ahead and go back to our other preview website. This is the website that we're going to be working with today. And let's go ahead and look at our website. So we're going to click on the public preview URL right here. We're on the website button. These are all the editing tools. We're going to click on the public preview URL. This is the website. We already have some content on our home page. And we also have a blog on our home page, and we have an about page. So what we're going to do is we're going to add two more pages, and we're going to add a post. Let's tab back over. And the first thing we want to do is go to pages. And you notice that we're going to add a blog page. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit our home page real quick. We can click the edit button on the home page. We're going to scroll down. We're going to uncheck include post. And then we're going to update. So we're just removing the post from our home page. That's what we did there. So we go back on pages. Now we're ready to add a page. So the first page we're going to do is we're on the pages button. We're going to create a blank page right here. And the title right here is going to be pastures. And then what you do is you scroll down, and this is the editing box here. So we're going to be working in this editing box. So I'm going to put my cursor in here. And so the first thing, let me just grab some words here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to type in like a header. We're going to center that. And we're going to put bold. And let's go ahead and make it 18 point. So welcome to our pasture scenes. Then we're going to click enter. And for this, we're going to use a 2-column template. You don't have to use a 2-column template, but if you do, I'll show you how to do it real quick. You just click on the 2-column template, and then we're going to add pictures, and we're going to replace the filler words. There's also these 2 dashes above and below that you need to get rid of, so let's get rid of that. We're going to insert an image right here. So I click on the image to highlight it. Then I click on my insert edit image icon, my up arrow. We already have these. We can upload them by using choose files, but we already have it uploaded into my images. We're going to use this one right here. And we're going to add some words. So we're going to get rid of these filler words. We're going to back this out. And we're going to replace it with out and about in the fog. So let's do the next one here. So click on the image, click on the edit image icon, click on the up arrow. We're going to go back to my images. I'm going to use this one here. Click OK. And this one's a little bigger, so why don't we just see if we can stretch this one out. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then here, we're going to back this out, do grazing away. Okay, and then we're going to get rid of this dash 2. This is just to help with the formatting. When you do the 2-column template, you can have different formatting inside of here. So after this dash, you have different formatting. So just back that out. You can even move your cursor over here to the left, that sort of thing. So there it is. There's welcome to our pasture scenes. Let's go ahead and add a featured image here. Go back to my images, and we're going to use this one right here. And then after you create the page, you're going to click on the Create button. And there, we created the first page. So the next page we're going to create is with our Templates button right here. So this is page templates. We click on the templates button. We're going to add a blog page. This is going to include our blog posts. So click on the blog page. And when you add a blog page with the template, post is already checked. And this is actually the featured image right here, the blog image. And it says, welcome to our blog. And since this is more of a hiking theme today, we're going to go ahead and switch out this blog image with our own customized image. So you click on the Insert Edit Image icon. You click on the up arrow. This time we're going to upload. So we're going to choose a file. We go here, 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 and here. So we're going to use this picture of this oak tree. And that looks pretty good. We could even stretch it, drag the corner, make it a little bit bigger. And there it is. Welcome to our blog. And then, underneath here, you're gonna hit enter, and you're gonna add, add some text about, about the blog. Or you could just leave it like that because it does include the post. It's going to include the post right underneath that. So let's go ahead and create that. So now we've created 2 pages. If I go to the Pages button here, you'll see that we created the Pastures page and the blog page. We already had the home and the about page. The next thing we want to do is we want to create a post. So we have one post already. Let's create a new post. Our new post, we're going to create here the title, our latest beautiful rainbows. And let's go ahead and do a featured image. Go My Images. And I think we're going to use this one here as our featured image. So that's that. And then inside here is the editing box. We're going to put our cursor in the editing box. We're going to center. And so the first one we're going to do is today while hiking. And just enter. Let's go ahead and just do an image. We're going to go through this pretty quickly. Go to My Images. And the one that we want to choose is this one right here. Okay, and that looks pretty good. We could stretch it maybe a little bit. And we could use the 2 column on this, but we're just going to go drop them one underneath the other. So let's put our cursor here. We'll click enter. And the next one is we're going to do, and one more pick. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's throw 3 dots in front of that. And let's go ahead and bold that. Let's go ahead and make that, let's say, 14 point. And enter. Actually, we're going to do shift enter. It's going to be a single line. And then we're going to hit the Insert Edit Image icon, the up arrow, My Images, and we're going to use this image right here. Okay. Oh, that one's really big. So let's stretch it down a little bit. And this one, let's go ahead and make it a little bit larger and a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. So we created a blog post, our latest beautiful rainbows, and you'll notice the editing tools for blogs and pages are almost identical. So if you know how to use blogs, you know how to use pages and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and create that. Now that we've created our 2 pages and our blog posts, let's tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're going to go ahead and refresh the screen. So let me go ahead and refresh that. And there it is. We have our home page, which now we removed the post. It doesn't have that post anymore. So let's go to our Pastures page first. This is our Welcome to our Pastures Scenes. We use the 2 column template, out and about in the fog and grazing away. And if you're on a mobile phone, when you use the 2 column template, these pictures are going to drop right one below another. So the 2 column template's great for mobile. So either use the 2 column or 3 column if you're doing something like that where you want side by side. And then on the blog, we did Welcome to our blog. We have that beautiful oak tree. And then we have our blog posts, our latest beautiful rainbows and beautiful Yosemite Valley. So this is the blog post we just created right here. And And let's go back to blog. And this is the blog post that we had already created. Here, go back to blog. So you can see we added quite a bit. We added the 2 pages and we added the post. Let's go back to Connect. And quickly, if you need help, go to the help button right here if you have questions. This is always a great place to go. And the featured tutorial videos is really a good place to go. Click on featured tutorial videos. This first tutorial video, how to start building your website, is really an excellent tutorial video to get started. How to add a page or a post to your website. This is the one we just did. This is going to say 3rd edition when you're watching this video. So anyway, not when you're watching it, but this is going to be updated to 3rd edition. So let's go ahead and go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add a page or post to your website with Dataczar Connect.